Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set your GitHub repository to public. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So once you open GitHub official page, you can go and click on the top right section until you see your repositories under your profile. Once you click on it, it will show you all your repositories right here. And so we're going to select whichever one that is private. So from here, we can click on this one. And as you can see, it is held private, but what you can do is go to the About section to the settings. And then from here, you can enter the description and the website or topics for this one once you share it. And then once you save the changes, all you have to do is click on settings. Once you go to settings, all you have to do is in the general scroll all the way down until you see this danger zone. But don't worry, there is nothing to worry about. This is just sensitive. From here, the first option, change repository visibility. The repository is currently private. Click on change visibility and then click on change to public. And then from here, confirm that you want to make this repository public. And then you're going to click I have read and understand these effects. And there we go. Now this is public. You might need to confirm it by using your GitHub mobile authenticator app or just double again your password. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.